Step 1. You get the tortillas. Step 2. You add the chicken. Step 3. Add the cheese and prepare to toast. Alright, now we're going to slice up some blocks of smoked Gouda cheese. Alright, we've applied the smoked Gouda cheese and it is scrumptious. Here we go! Melting the cheese. Look at that melted, delicious cheese. We added the onions. We added the tomatoes.